Now we're rocking and rolling. This week, I'm Rob B. This is the Rock and Roll Toolkit week 5. And this week, we're going back to Jerry Lee Lewis. And I'm going to show you how to do that. It's all about keeping that rock solid left hand going, which we talked about last week, and just repeating relentlessly in the right hand the chord or the octave. Let's go to the overhead camera and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Okay, as I say, we're going to do that with the left hand. Whilst you're practicing, I mean, if you can keep that going, that's absolutely brilliant. But if you're just practicing this and you're not getting used to it, just do something with the left hand, even if it's just a single note like that. And then your right hand, right up here. I hope you can see it on the on the camera there. We're going to play the octave like that with one of the other notes, either in the chord of C. That's the chord of C. C, E, G, and C, top C. So just one or the other, or both, if you're really feeling like it. But basically, you just and if you can, do that slide now and again. See what I'm doing? We learnt the slide in week 1. But slide there. So. So relentlessly keeping that going. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you go to the F chord in the left hand, you can keep exactly the same position, but instead of playing the E there, go to the E flat, and it actually gives you a F7th. Okay, but so the C, play, then F. You get that? Back to the C. So just by moving that one finger, it gives you the proper sound of rock and roll. So I'll do it slowly. Now to the F. See, if you just stayed on that, the C, the G, and the C, all the way through the 12-bar sequence, even on the G, it sounds right. Couple of points here. Don't overdo it, because I don't want you hurting your hands like we were doing with that. It's the same thing. Jerry Lee had absolutely fireproof hands. But it takes time to build up to it. And the other thing is try and relax your hand. If it's tense and stiff, but if you just relax it a bit, see what I'm doing? It's relaxed at my wrist. And away we go. Rock and roll, guys. So that's week 5 of the Rock and Roll Toolkit. Next week, the final video of the series, I'm going to put it all together and we're going to do a rock and roll song using the techniques that we've been learning over these weeks, okay? So far you've learned the blue note, the slide, the fantastic triplets, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, done. That's a bit similar, isn't it? Again, it's driving, that's what matters. The left hand, getting that solid. It's not clever, it's not complicated, and it's on the beat. You can do that. And then today, next week, we'll put it all together and do a rock and roll song. See you next week. Have a great week. Bye, bye.